Experience a classic ride with our men's retro-style electric city bicycle. The men's retro-style electric city bicycle is the perfect combination of classic design and modern technology. It offers a comfortable ride with its sturdy frame, powerful motor and impressive battery life. The motor, powerful 250 watts and 40 Nm ANANDA RM M129H rear motor with a maximum supported speed of up to 25 km per hour, which offers a long service life and high performance. The battery, GREENWAY YJ145, 36 volts, 10.4 Ah, 374.4 watt-hours lithium battery that is conveniently stored under the luggage rack. 90 km autonomy in eco mode. The gearbox, Shimano ALTUS Tourney, allows you to easily select 21 speeds, suitable for any type of road. Quality parts, aluminum frame, V-brakes, Kenda tires and suspension fork. Other features, equipped with front and rear light powered by the bike's battery, LED display, a center kickstand, comfortable Selle Royal saddle, a bell, mudguards and a chain cover. Introducing the men's retro-style electric city bicycle. If you're looking for a stylish and functional electric bike, look no further than our men's retro-style electric city bicycle. Perfect for cruising around the city or going on longer rides, this bike offers a smooth and comfortable ride for riders of all skill levels. The retro design is inspired by classic European city bikes, with a sleek and streamlined frame that's both elegant and functional. Efficient and environmentally friendly. The men's retro-style electric city bicycle is powered by a high-quality electric motor that provides a smooth and responsive ride. Equipped with a powerful battery that lasts for up to 50 miles on a single charge, you'll be able to ride comfortably and confidently knowing you won't get stranded. Best of all, this bike is environmentally friendly, emitting zero carbon emissions and making it a great choice for the eco-conscious rider. Built for comfort and durability. The men's retro-style electric city bicycle is built for lasting comfort and durability. With a sturdy frame made from high-quality materials, this bike can handle the rigors of daily use. The comfortable saddle and ergonomic handlebars ensure a comfortable ride, while the powerful brakes and responsive gears provide complete control over your ride. Whether you're commuting to work or going for a leisurely ride around town, this bike is the perfect choice for style, comfort, and sustainability.